Hey everyone, in this video, I'm sharing my honest review of Canada Pharmacy Online. I'll cover its features, benefits, and my personal experience. Product links are down below. Canada Pharmacy Online is a reputable online pharmacy offering prescription and over-the-counter products. It's perfect for saving money on meds without sacrificing quality. Whether managing a health condition or restocking your cabinet, it's a convenient and secure way to get what you need. A key feature is their lower prices compared to traditional pharmacies. This is a huge plus for anyone uninsured or on a budget. They offer both brand name and generic options. The website is user-friendly, making it easy to search, order, and track your delivery. My experience has been entirely positive. From browsing to ordering, everything was smooth. My meds arrived on time, securely packaged, and in perfect condition. Customer support was also responsive and helpful. This service is especially great for those needing regular prescriptions. Ordering online eliminates pharmacy trips and long waits. Overall, I'm very satisfied with Canada Pharmacy Online. It's affordable, convenient, and reliable. If you want an easy, budget-friendly way to get your medications, this platform is worth checking out. See the description for more info and to place your order.